How to add bio in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add the bio. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, on the top, tap on complete profile. So, this is the place where you can add different profile and complete your profile. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section of bio, and now simply tap on it. Here, you must write about your bio. So basically, it must be short and it should define whom you are. So this is a way to impress other people, and you can easily add any bio that is short and defines you. At last, simply tap on the stick button and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.